Mr. Obsolete here today. Our job is to be removing some stumps. This one I've chopped out around it, got most of the roots out, got it chained up to the tractor over here, and we'll try and pull it out. That's plan A. If plan B has to be used, I'll cut it down as far as I can and burn it out, but we'll try pulling it out with the tractor at first. Here's one of the tools I use for chopping the roots out. This is a cheap Chinese axe. As you notice, the head's put on upside down. It actually holds an edge okay, but I use this when I'm chopping because it's like a lot of rocks in here, and you can see it puts a few little dings in it, but it's easy to sharpen and stuff. So there's actually a place on the farm for a piece of junk like this. That way you don't have to ruin your good axes. The other thing is, a monumental decision has been made. I'm going to retire my hat after about 12 or 14 years. So we're running the International tractor today, so it's International Day. So we'll start up the tractor and see what happens. One thing we're going to do, put this rim underneath the chain. And what that'll do is it'll roll up and pull up on the stump instead of straight out. It helps pull them out. See what happens. Came right out. So now we've got a nice clean hole here. This area that we're working in, we're putting in a raised bed gardens. We've got one other stump over here. We'll be right back and show you a picture of that. Success. Well, there's the stump successfully removed. You can see I burned on the one there for a while. A lot of it was still underground, so we chopped it out and then, of course, pulled it out. The tractor's a 1942 International McCormick Dairy Farmall H. If you watch some of our previous videos, you'll see it in action and also the history on it. Okay, that stump came out good. This one is too big to pull out. I burned on it quite a bit and got it way down. It was a pretty good size. Then I dug this out and I've chopped the roots off, but I'm going to have to burn that one out. But I just wanted to give you a quick demo of a brand X axe here. I actually do cut. Better than nothing. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it about a 5.5. It's not near as good as a real axe, but it's great for cutting junky stuff like this. It does an okay job. I mean, it's a pretty good sized piece of wood. The other thing on this that's wrong with it, the handle is almost square with a little bit of round. It's uncomfortable in your hand. It's heavily varnished. When you hit stuff, all the energy is transferred down the handle into your arms. So I'm going to sand it down, put some boiled linseed oil on it, maybe change the head to the way it's supposed to be. So remember to work smart and you'll be safe. We'll see you in the next video.